Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into a fascinating blend of history and modern engineering, the 2025 IKA Baqueano 500. This iconic vintage pickup truck has been fully restored and reimagined for today's drivers, combining classic 1960s styling with modern performance and technology. Whether you're a fan of classic pickups or just curious about this rare model, this review will give you the full picture. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 IKA Baqueano 500 stays true to its roots with the unmistakable vintage silhouette that's instantly recognizable. The vibrant cream hue with a subtle metallic sheen brings a fresh yet authentic look to the vehicle. It's a color that balances elegance and nostalgia, catching the light perfectly to showcase the truck's smooth lines and classic curves. From the front, the chrome bumper shines brightly beneath the round headlights and horizontal grille, delivering that timeless 1960s charm. Move around the truck, and you'll notice details like the vintage badges, chrome bed hooks, and the classic tailgate design with round tail lights, all lovingly restored and accentuated with modern precision. The chrome rear bumper is polished to perfection, enhancing the overall aesthetic without compromising the truck's original character. The bodywork is clean and impeccable, reflecting the meticulous restoration process. The 2025 model also benefits from upgraded paint technology, ensuring durability and resistance to fading or chipping, which is a definite advantage over the original. The wheels fit perfectly with the vintage look, offering a robust yet stylish presence that suits both city streets and rural roads. Moving inside, the interior of the Baqueano 500 is a beautiful fusion of retro style and contemporary upgrades. The cabin retains its vintage charm with a minimalist dashboard painted in the same cream tone as the exterior, complemented by polished chrome trim that outlines the various instruments and controls. The large steering wheel with thin metal spokes immediately transports you back to the 1960s, but feels solid and responsive thanks to modern engineering enhancements. The seats are upholstered in a luxurious two-tone tan and cream leather, meticulously stitched to reflect the era's design ethos while providing modern comfort and support. This combination offers a warm, inviting atmosphere, perfect for both short drives and longer journeys. What really stands out, however, is the addition of a sleek LED touchscreen integrated into the center console. This modern tech upgrade brings navigation, media controls, and vehicle information to your fingertips without disrupting the vintage aesthetic. The LED screen is flush-mounted and designed to blend seamlessly with the retro analog gauges, which maintain the classic look while providing all the functionality a modern driver expects. Additional touches include chrome door handles, vintage style, knobs and well-crafted panels that keep the cabin feeling authentic but refined. The overall interior experience strikes an impressive balance, making it comfortable and practical for today's drivers without losing any of its nostalgic appeal. Under the hood, the 2025 IKA Baqueano 500 offers a surprising level of performance for a vintage-styled pickup. Powered by a modernized inline four-cylinder engine, it produces around 110 horsepower, delivering a smooth and reliable drive with decent torque for its class. This engine has been tuned to offer improved fuel efficiency, while maintaining the classic truck's rugged capability. The transmission is a 5-speed manual that gives drivers a genuine hands-on experience, reinforcing the nostalgic feel while providing precise control. The suspension has also been upgraded with modern components to improve ride comfort and handling. While the original Baqueano was known for its sturdy build, this 2025 version handles corners and uneven roads far better, offering a more comfortable and composed driving experience. Braking performance benefits from modern disc brakes at the front, enhancing safety without detracting from the vehicle's vintage look. When it comes to pricing, the 2025 IKA Baqueano 500 occupies a unique niche. It's not just a restored classic. It's a limited edition reimagining aimed at collectors and enthusiasts who value both heritage and functionality. The starting price hovers around $45,000, which places it competitively against other vintage-style trucks and specialty pickups in the market. Considering the quality of restoration modern upgrades, and the exclusivity of the model, it offers impressive value. For buyers seeking something with character and history, paired with usability in today's driving conditions, the Baqueano 500 presents a compelling option. Overall, the 2025 IKA Baqueano 500 impresses by marrying the past with the present in a harmonious way. It looks like a vintage pickup, but it drives like a modern vehicle, and the interior blends classic design with contemporary tech in a thoughtful and unobtrusive manner. The attention to detail in the restoration process is evident in every chrome accent, leather stitch, and painted surface. Whether you're cruising through city streets or exploring rural roads, this truck delivers a nostalgic experience without the compromises often associated with vintage vehicles. If you're a collector, a fan of retro automotive design, or simply looking for a unique pickup with personality, the 2025 IKA Baqueano 500 is definitely worth your attention. It's a statement piece that stands out from the crowd and offers a driving experience that's both fun and practical. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2025 IKA Baqueano 500, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more automotive content, and let me know in the comments what vintage or modern vehicles you want me to review next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.